First exercise of the first circuit, power push-ups. These are normal push-ups, but when you are bringing your body up, you have to just push your body from the floor with your palms leaving the ground. 10 reps need to be done, and immediately after that you have to start the second exercise, that is bicycle crunches, that is 10 reps. These are for the abs, and power push-ups were for the chest, arms. As soon as you complete the bicycle crunches, the next one immediate you have to start is the Superman. Again 10 reps. This is for the total core. Do every exercise very smoothly and don't rush the exercises. All the repetitions have to be has to be done in a very smooth way. Maintain that momentum. After completing this, we'll go for the prisoner squat. Also 10 reps. Maintain the smooth movement. Don't stop when going up or while going down. Just maintain a smooth up and down movement. As soon as you complete this, we go for the dynamic tension curls for our arms, biceps. See, when you are curling your right hand, you have to apply opposite pressure by your left hand. Each arm you have to do 10 times. So that will be total 10 reps. 10 reps right hand, 10 reps left hand. That will be one complete 10 reps in one exercise in this exercise. Now with the left hand we will do. When you are curling your left hand, apply opposite pressure from your right hand. And when you are also bringing your left hand down or right hand down, that pressure should be maintained, so that muscle is in the contraction mode and there is a tension throughout the exercise. Now once it is completed, immediately you have to start the next shoulder exercise, that is the pike push-ups. You have to do 10 reps of these also. These are basically for shoulders. Now you see the body position, how it is done. It is not like, it looks like a normal that push-ups, but it is a bit different. Now immediately after completing pike push-ups, you have to do 10 repetitions of bench dips. These are for the triceps. Once you complete this bench dips, that is, you have completed 7 exercises of one circuit. Take a rest of 90 to 120 seconds and start the second circuit.